What's up? It's your girl, Yachty Girl. I'm definitely coming with the flavor with this one. Look at this scrumptious, delicious, yet healthy dish. Stay tuned to see how I prepare this and get the details on it. And watch to the end so you guys can see the pictures at the end. Okay, so here we have one whole chicken which was washed and cleaned in lime juice and some vinegar. It was seasoned from the night before, so this chicken is well marinated. Okay, it was seasoned with Italian dressing to start off. Yes, I said Italian dressing. Italian dressing does give your chicken so much more flavor. And then I add my regular powder season like salt, black pepper, Mrs. Dash, garlic, all of those regular season that you see I've been using on my channel. Slap your mama Creole seasoning, ginger, garlic, pimento, all of this season, chicken bouillon, smoked paprika, all of that has been added to this chicken and has been marinated overnight in the fridge. Now I'm about to put it on my sheet pan, which was lined with some foil paper, and then I greased it with some olive oil. So I'm about to place my chicken on this sheet pan. I've split it in the back. I'm just trying to fix it on here so it's properly showing you guys that this is some well seasoned chicken. Look at that, look at that, look at that. I'm just fixing it right here like it's my baby because I want it to be cooked perfectly and evenly. So right here you see me, I'm putting butter underneath the skin. Yes, please put butter underneath the skin of your chicken. It will keep the skin crispy and make your chicken even more moist. So I'm stuffing some butter underneath the skin and just patting it down. So I'm getting that butter in, making sure it's where it needs to be so we have some crispy skin on our chicken. When it gets done, I'm about to put it in the oven at 375 degrees for an hour and 30 minutes. Here I'm working on the dressing or the seasoning that I'm gonna season my veggies in, because we're making roast chicken and roast veggies. So I pour some olive oil, and as you can see I have my seasoning here, which I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to add that seasoning to the olive oil and combine it so I can pour that over my veggies. And the flavor that I'm using most on these veggies is thyme and oregano. Rosemary is good as well. Thyme and rosemary, or just rosemary, but today I'm using thyme and oregano. And these are my regular go-to season, guys. I love these seasoning that I have here, and they're all salt free, so you can add them and then add salt if you do need salt. Today I'm using my pink Himalayan salt or Himalayan pink salt. Grind, grind, grind. Then I'm adding a bit of Italian. Let me know if you guys love roast veggies. Roast veggies are so healthy and delicious, and then you can use whatever veggies is in season at the time wherever you are. So I'm combining this sauce well to pour over my veggies. Getting my veggies washed and prepped. Here we are, ready to go. Look at these fresh veggies. I have some rainbow carrots, some baby potatoes, some bell pepper, cherry tomato, Brussels sprout. I'm about to take the leaves off my thyme, and I'm gonna keep this stark and just break them up as well to give it some more extra thyme flavor, because it's thyme and oregano roast veggies. Does anybody out there don't like Brussels sprouts? I recently started eating them this year and I love them. And these baby potatoes are delicious. Pour that sauce all over. If your veggies need more, you can add more. I'm getting them all covered up with that sauce, and you also want to work that sauce in. You guys are going to see me do that. Okay, you want to make sure all your veggies are coated. I'm adding some extra olive oil to them because it needed some. I'm adding some more olive oil because it needed some more olive oil, as you guys can see. I'm literally emptying the bottle and getting everything well covered and coated with dough. I did add some more seasoning because we're coming with the flavor, and we want these veggies to be flavorful and not bland. Okay, so I'm working these veggies in, and I'm wearing a glove because I don't want all of that stuff to get under my nails. So I'm working these veggies in, get everything coated with that season and oil. And these veggies are just going to be so simply delicious. There it is after I have marinated. So I'm about to put my veggies into the oven. It's going to be the same temp as the chicken, 375 degrees, and it's going to be in there for about 40 to 45 minutes. My chicken is halfway through the hour 30 minutes, and that remaining sauce that I have left over in the bowl, I am just spreading it all over my chicken, keeping it moist so it's not dried out. So I'm just brushing it well, making sure it's well covered and I don't miss any part of it, because we want some moist, delicious chicken. Okay, so here am I moving. This chicken came with the neck on the inside, so I took up the neck because it was already cooked. It does bring back so much memory from when I was growing up in Jamaica, and we would eat jerk chicken neck or curry chicken neck, whatever you do to the chicken neck. So that, seeing that chicken neck in there, it just brought back so much memory. I'm like, let me put this on the tray with this chicken, and it was so delicious. It made me want to just go get some chicken necks. Okay, so here is my chicken, all cooked and finished, and still juicy on the inside. These are my roasted veggies, so everything is done. Just watch me plate it all up. So remember, we have baby potatoes, Brussels sprout, cherry tomatoes, we have bell pepper, we have rainbow carrots, oregano, thyme, flavor infused. Look at those. And this is my chicken, guys. It's cooked all the way through, and it is still juicy. The skin is crispy, and it's just so moist. As you can see me, it's just falling off. Like, I didn't need a knife or anything. Like, look at the inside of that chicken. So juicy and delicious. So this is my plated product. I did the leg and the thigh with some of the veggies. Just look at that. This is so delicious, guys, and it's healthy and still yummy and flavorful. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like and leave me a comment and subscribe, and definitely check out these pictures. Thank you.